Hi everyone, you're welcome to our channel. On this channel we're going to be sharing tips on how to care for natural hair, especially for kids. Okay, so if you're an adult too that you're natural hair, you can also learn a lot from this channel, right? So today I'll be making a hairstyle for my daughter, and it's the African threading. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is to moisturize the hair. Whatever kind of hair you're making, when you're making braids, twists, whatever, you should moisturize the hair with water and leave-in conditioner. It makes the hair soft and very easy to work with. Okay, and then if you're working with children, you should make sure the child has eaten first, and then you should engage the child, probably Bible stories or cartoon or something. So next I'm applying olive oil to the hair. If you notice, I've not combed the hair yet. I only sprayed the hair with water, added leave-in conditioner, and now I'm adding oil to seal in the moisture. Okay, so a lot of people are always scared of making African threading because the truth is it's very painful, very painful. But today I'm sharing with us a very easy way how you can install the hair, very painless, very stressless. Just make sure that the child has eaten, and engage the child with a cartoon or something like I'm doing right now. Okay, so my daughter's already used to all these routines. So what I'm just doing is I'm parting the hair. That's the front style of the hair. I'm just parting it. If you notice, I've not combed the hair yet. Okay, as long as you moisturize the hair, you can easily part the hair. So I'm just making a little braid for the front part. Okay, so everyone watching this video is a first time subscriber, please encourage us, subscribe and share this video. So next thing, I'm parting the remaining part of the hair into 4 sections. So I have 4 sections here. Okay, then I want to get out a circle in the middle of the hair, so I'll just take out a little portion out of each of the sections. So you can see I'm taking out a little portion from the first section. Okay, I'll do that from the second section, the third section, and the fourth section. So what I'm trying to achieve is a tiny little circle, okay, on the middle part. Okay, so like I said, once you moisturize the hair with water and leave-in, no matter how hard or stubborn or coarse your hair is, it's going to be very pliable. So I'm just braiding this out slightly. Okay, so once I do this, the remaining part of the hair, I'm going to section it. So the size depends on you. Okay, so I don't want it too big or too small, right? So I'll just section it like this. So you can see I've already sectioned it out. So this gives me an idea of how many pieces we're looking at and how to go about it. Now, if you have a high porosity like my daughter or myself, high porosity hair texture, the hair dries out really fast. Okay, so I'm applying water again, and I'll still add leave-in conditioner. If your hair is low porosity, your hair can, it takes time to dry, so you might not repeat this process. But for high porosity, trust me, your hair dries out really fast. So I've added water. Now I'm adding leave-in conditioner. Okay, then what I do is sometimes I just pour my oil into the leave-in conditioner, then I comb from the tip. You can see that you start combing from the tip before you get to the roots. So this way you have no or minimal breakage. Okay, now next step, I'll be adding edge control to the roots like so. This part is optional anyway. This part is optional just to make it more neater, but it's optional. I'm using my small brush to do that. Then here comes the part to make the threading very painless. You're going to braid the hair at about let's say 1 or 2 inches high. Okay, so as you're braiding, take note, don't make it too tight. It's not necessary to make the hair tight. Just braid it, like so, to about maybe 1 or 2 inches. Okay, so once you braid the hair like this, okay, already the hair is it makes the hair less tight, okay, and then it avoids you from threading the hair directly from the roots. So this is my Brazilian wool here. I'll just speak about say 5 pieces. Yeah, 5 pieces. It's okay. I don't want it to be too bulky. So now I will start threading from the braided parts. Okay, so you just want to make it a little bit firm but not too long. Then take note, my thread is longer than the hair. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to thread it the first time. Like I said, you don't need to make it too tight. At the same time, it shouldn't be loose. So I'll thread it the first time. This is the first time. One, okay. Then I will thread it the second time. That's all. That's all. So the subsequent threading should start from underneath. You can see that I didn't go back to the root again. So you start threading. You start threading. It's like it's a very painless exercise. If you do this, it's going to be very painless compared to when you just start threading directly from the root. Okay, so I'll just keep threading. You can see that. So like I said, working with children is very easy. Just make sure they're eating and engage them with either a cartoon or something. Okay, so now my thread is becoming short. Okay, so I'm just going to add extra 2 strands of my thread. I'm using Brazilian wool. Okay, I'm not using the regular black, that thread that stretches. I'm not using now. This is Brazilian wool. So I'll just keep threading it. Now, one benefit of threading is that it keeps your hair in a protective state, and then it is the best form of stretching your hair. So you can see that our hair is still sticking out. So I'll keep threading till I get to the very tip of the hair. Okay, so like I was saying, threading is the best form of stretching your hair. If you're a natural hair person, as much as possible, avoid the use of blow dryers, avoid the use of straighteners, anything heat except for steaming. Heat damages your hair. Okay, so I'm just knotting it up like so. So you can just have like 2 or 3 knots to secure the knots. It's very simple, very simple. So what I've done right now this is like the style. I'll just roll it around, and I'll just use a rubber band to hold it down. It's very painless, trust me. Like, it's painless. Okay, so I'm going to repeat the same process for all this, the lower part of the hair. Okay, do not comb dry hair. Don't comb dry hair. Wet the hair first, add the leave-in, add your oil. Same thing. Just to be a very painless exercise. So I've finished with the inner parts. Okay, so yeah, working with children can be very challenging. At this point you're already hungry, so I'm trying to look for something to eat. So now what you do is, as you're packing it, once you get to the part that maybe one of the hair is getting shorter, you use your thread to like tack it together with the remaining pieces. Okay, then you keep folding it. So I'll just roll it. You don't need to roll it too hard, just do it gently. Just roll it gently. Okay, like so. I got into another part there. Then I've also done the same process for the front. You can see the front part here. I also did the threading one by one. So I'll do the packing the same way. Okay, same way. So you can see that I'm threading the hair together to give me to put it in place. Then what I'll now do is I will wrap it up. I'll try to close it up at this end there. Okay, you can see. So you just wrap it up slightly, tie it, and that's all. So you can see my little angel here. She's happy. She likes the style actually. She doesn't like anything that touches her face or something. So, but it's a very painless exercise, and like I said, it's great for stretching your hair, and then it's a protective style. So I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Kindly give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.